YouTube Studio provides at-a-glance and in-depth analytics to help you analyze your videos and your channel. From the YouTube Studio dashboard, you can see the performance of your latest video compared to your typical video performance. You'll see how it ranks against your last 10 videos, along with its views, average view duration, and watch time. The channel dashboard also provides a quick glance at your overall channel analytics. Here you can see your current subscribers, a summary of your views and watch time in the last 28 days, and your top videos from the last 48 hours. Now let's look at the analytics page, where you can deep dive into all of your data. You can do so for your channel as a whole, for a video group, or for a specific video by clicking into a video or searching for it. From an individual video, click the back arrow to head back to your overall channel analytics. Note that anywhere in analytics, you can change the date range that you want to look at. Consider ranges of 90 or more days in order to get a sense of long-term performance trends. You can also hover over any metric in analytics to get more information about it. Or you can click the See More button on any card to review additional data or to compare different metrics, time periods, videos, or groups. Click the X in the top right corner to go back. The Overview tab is your starting point for any channel performance reviews. It provides personalized insights about your channel's performance and gives a high-level look at key performance stats like views, watch time, subscribers, and, if you're in the YouTube Partner Program, estimated revenue. You'll see insights on how each metric is doing compared to your typical past performance, and you can click on any of these to update the graph below. This graph charts day-by-day performance changes for the selected metric. The play button icons below the graph indicate any videos published, so you can also compare any of these metrics against your most recent uploads for the selected date range. The Overview tab also shows the real-time activity for your videos from the last 48 hours, and your top videos for your selected time period. You can also see a snapshot of the performance for your last 10 videos, similar to what you see in your channel dashboard. If you're looking at a specific video, the Overview tab will show your video's views, watch time, and subscribers gained or added. You'll also see the audience retention, likes versus dislikes, and the real-time activity for that video. Aside from the Overview tab, you'll see the Reach, Engagement, and Audience tabs. And if you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you'll see an additional Revenue tab listed in Analytics. The Reach tab is your central source for data on how many viewers you're reaching and how you're reaching them. This includes impressions, click-through rate, and unique viewers. Impressions are counted every time a viewer comes across one of your video thumbnails on YouTube. Click-through rate shows you how often viewers clicked into a video after seeing an impression, which results in a view. And unique viewers shows the estimated number of different people who come to watch your videos over a set time period. The Reach tab also shows various information about your video's traffic sources and the surfaces driving viewers to your content. Finally, there's the viewership funnel, which provides insight into the viewership process, starting with the serving of an impression all the way to how those clicks and views led to watch time. You can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content by increasing your click-through rate and your video watch time. The Engagement tab provides data on viewer attention, including watch time, average view duration, and end screens. Average view duration will give you the estimated average minutes watched per view on a piece of content. This allows you to know how long viewers are watching a video before moving on to another piece of content. The end screen data here provides information on what end screen elements are best resonating with your audience. At the video level, this is also where you'll find information on audience retention, likes versus dislikes, and, if you've added them, the end screen element click rate. You can use the Audience tab of Analytics to learn about who is watching your videos. This tab will show unique viewers, average views per viewer, and subscribers. These metrics combined give you an idea of the size of your audience, as well as their level of engagement. You can also see watch time from subscribers. At the channel level, you'll also see the Bell Notifications card. This provides information on the portion of your subscribed audience who have enabled all notifications for your channel, and also those who have enabled notifications for their account and device. This tab also gives you information on the viewers watching your channel, like their gender, age group, and where they're located. Finally, if you're a member of the YouTube Partner Program, you'll see an additional revenue tab listed in Analytics. Here, you'll be able to review revenue data, such as estimated revenue, monetized playbacks, and playback-based CPM. You'll also see your monthly estimated revenue, your top earning videos, and a breakdown of your revenue sources and top ad types. This was just an overview of the main tabs in Analytics. For more information about YouTube Studio and Analytics, check out the rest of the series here.